Welcome back. Looking to our business news now. The demand for space across Abu Dhabi's commercial real estate market is increasing on the back of economic growth led by the hydrocarbon sector, according to the latest report by property consultancy Cluttons. The Winter 2014 Abu Dhabi Commercial Market Outlook report shows growth across emerging sectors, including aviation, education and healthcare, along with continued growth in the hydrocarbon industry, with this growth driving increased demand for office and industrial space in the capital. Top-tier rents in Abu Dhabi's office market have held steady once more this quarter, with Grade A and super prime space seeing a high level of interest from occupiers who view the current rates of nearly 1,850 dirhams per square metre to 2,000 dirhams per square metre as fair value. With Grade A schemes operating at nearly full occupancy, the supply pipeline for top-tier spaces is relatively weak, resulting in demand being transferred to the secondary and tertiary markets. For the first time in 18 months, space in secondary and tertiary markets is recording an increase in rents. During Q3, rents for secondary space increased by 8% to 1,300 dirhams per square metre, while tertiary rents climbed to 900 dirhams per square metre, which translates into a 13% increase on Q2. The report also highlights the continued growth of Khalifa Port at Khalifa Industrial Zone Abu Dhabi. The growth was fueled partially by the Abu Dhabi Ports Company's decision to gradually divert cargo away from Zayed Port to make way for a cruise terminal. The Burj Al Arab is considering developing a new private beach stretching out into the Arabian Gulf as it celebrates the 15th anniversary of its opening. The iconic Jumeirah Group-owned and operated hotel welcomed its first guests on the 1st of December 1999, and even before it had opened, it had already become one of the iconic sites in Dubai. At present, guests cross a bridge back to the mainland to access a private beach between Jumeirah Beach Hotel and Madinat Jumeirah, but the hotel's manager was quoted in local reports as saying that there may be a new beach development. If the plan to develop a beach at the hotel comes to fruition, it would join three major projects for Jumeirah Group in close proximity to each other. Other developments include the fourth phase of Madinat Jumeirah, which is currently under construction and will bring the total number of rooms to the complex to 1,300. Meanwhile, Jumeirah Beach Hotel is adding a 350-room resort and expanding its yacht marina. Finally, the stretch of beach between Madinat Jumeirah and Jumeirah Beach Hotel is also to be developed, with new lifestyle areas set to open to the public in the evenings. The UAE's domain name witnessed the highest registration rate in the Middle East and North Africa, with a record 124,000 .ae names between January and August, according to the Telecommunications Regulatory Authority, TRA. Etisalat, which recently launched its e-registration system, recorded the largest share among accredited registrars, followed by Tasjil.ae and AE Server. The data also revealed the share of each accredited service provider on the international level, where Etisalat continued to have the largest market share of 65.5%, followed by Instra Corporation with 9.5% and AE Server with 4.4%. Other accredited registrars had 20.6% of the market share. There are now 21 accredited registrars with the AEDA registry in the UAE. The AEDA was established in 2007 by the TRA as the regulatory body and registry operator for the .ae domain name and is responsible for enforcing all policies on the operation of the .ae country code top-level domain, as well as overseeing the operation of the registry system. Tasjil.ae has a top growth rate of 52% between January and August this year, followed by AE Server at 31.9%, 101 Domain Inc. at 17%, Instra Corporation at 13.9%, and IP Mirror at 7.7%. The Dubai Commodities Clearing Corporation, the central counterparty service provider of the Dubai Gold and Commodities Exchange, on Monday announced that clearing members will now be able to settle their transactions in UAE dirhams in addition to US dollars. This new settlement service allows members to utilize funds in UAE currency for settlement purposes. The facility has been made available following the second upgrade of DCCC's EOS Clear, its new clearing platform. In addition, these facilities will allow clearing members to provide fixed deposits and bank guarantees as collateral in UAE dirhams. The EOS Clear platform now supports multi-currency clearing and settlement facilities. It is hoped that the new dirham banking facility will provide significant value for members who maintain dirham accounts, while the new AED collateral facility will provide them an avenue to generate better returns, with these new services being designed to provide greater capital efficiency and boost liquidity in the DGCX marketplace.